Morning children. Hello everyone. I am Tuhina Sarkar of St. Paul's, Rourkela. I am going to take your EVS today. I am taking your class 1 EVS. So I'll teach you today lesson 4, that is my family. So what I am going to teach you today? Lesson 4. So please open your book and get started. Welcome to St. Paul's virtual class. Children, already our first assessment is over and now I am going to start with the new lesson, My Family. Lesson 4, My Family. Students, get ready with your EVS book and open page number 29. Page number 29. Yes. Now, in this family lesson, you see, we will learn about types of families, who is who, and role of family members. Now, children, you can see the picture of family. You can see or not? Yes. Children, we all have a family and we also love our family. Yes or no? Yes. We all love our parents, grandparents, brothers and sisters. In this lesson, we are going to study about it. Now see, I will read the lesson and you all listen to it carefully or see to it carefully. We all live in a family. Members of family live together in the same house. A family may have brother, mother and children living together. We should love, care and respect each member of our family. Also, it is important to listen to our elders. So this is a unit. So this is the family and it is a unit and we all together live in the same house. So what does a family have? Father, mother, children and more members also we have that we'll study later in the next page. Now we can see types or kinds of families. Now you can see the picture. There are two types. See, one is nuclear family and down we see it is joint family. So from the picture what we can understand, that is nuclear family is a small family. Can you see? Only parents and children. So nuclear family is a small family. Now joint family. You see the picture? Yes. Joint family is a big family. Now what is a nuclear family? See, a family with father, mother and two children is called a nuclear family. So what is a nuclear family? Children, nuclear family is a small family where we see parents and their children. Now we are seeing a big family, that is a joint family. Now children, I am reading a family with grandparents, parents, children, uncle, aunts and cousins is a big or a joint family. Now I will say, or if anybody, so what will you say? Joint family is a big family where we see parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousins. It is real fun, children, to live in joint family. We can share our thoughts, we can enjoy together. We enjoy a lot. I think you all also agree with me? Yes or no? Yes. Now children, we come to the next topic, that is who in the family. So you can see a picture of an old person with specs. Yes. Who is he? Yes, you have understood. He is our grandfather. He is your father's or mother's father. Now if anybody asks you, who is grandfather? So what will you say? Now smartly you can reply, he is my father's or mother's father. Now, in the right hand side, you can see grandmother. Can you see? Yes. Who is she? She is your father's or your mother's mother. So, when anyone asks you, who is grandmother? Then nicely you can say, I know, she is my father's or my mother's mother. See, here we see the picture of grandfather. So it is clear. You can see grandfather. So you know who is your grandfather? Yes. See the picture of grandmother. She is sitting with her granddaughter and so stylish grandma. See, the grandma is sitting in the park. Maybe she is narrating a story or she is showing something in the park. Now we see uncle. So uncle, who is he? He is your father's or mother's brother. So your father's brother or your mother's brother is your uncle. Now your uncle and aunt's children are your cousins. You all might be having cousins, and during a holidays or any fun time or any get together, you are so happy. You ask your mama, no? Mama, when will our cousins come? When they will come? You have some names X, Y, Z. You tell them when they are coming because you all enjoy together. Now it's very, you all sit and watch mobile also, something games you all play together, or you see some movies. That all you can only share with your cousins, and we really enjoy together. Now there you see aunt. So who is aunt? She is your uncle's wife. So aunt, if anybody asks who is aunt, you will say she is my uncle's wife. So we learn a lot things from our family members. Our family is our first school. Yes children, all manners, good habits we learn from our home only, because parents only, they teach us first, that they are our first teacher. Your mama is always telling, no, don't do better like this, don't do like that, because she always wants that all will say that my child is very good. So our parents and our elders at home, they are our first teachers. Now role of family members. So I am reading it first and then I will explain. Father and mother are our parents. In some families, father and mother both work to earn money. They are also responsible for various jobs in the house, such as cooking, washing and getting vegetables. Some mothers are homemaker. See children, this word homemaker, so this word homemaker, you can see, yes, this word is very important. Homemakers means mothers are play very important role in our family. They do lots of work. They go for some job also if they are going, because they are earning. At home also they do plenty of work. So mothers play very important role in our family. They stay at home and take care of the family. So she takes care of the whole family. When we are sick or when we are not well, they nurses us and they do plenty of work. Now next we come to grandfather. So he tells us stories, plays with us, drops us to the bus stop and is always there for us in our need. Yes, grandfather also play very important role in our life. They sit with us and tell some stories. They also play with us. We force them. You have to play with me. I am not feeling good. I am feeling bored. And they agree easily. Even the parents will deny, but they are always ready to help us. They also drops us to the bus stop and is always there whenever we need them. Grandpa, now only we have to go to the market to get this thing. Now only I need this toy. And they are always ready to help us. Yes or no? Yes, I hope you all agree with me. Now we will read about grandmother. She loves to cook yummy food for her grandchildren. Most grandmothers are great storytellers. Yes, that I also remember. My grandma told me many good stories, short stories, and they all were holding good morals, and I have learned a lot from my grandmother. So children, I think you also believe this. Grandma, they play a great role in our life. So they are great storytellers because they are older than us and they know many more things which we don't know at all, children. And now you are very small and you find it very interesting when they are telling stories. Mama is telling sometime, quickly finish your work and then only you can go to your grandma and listen to the stories. Yes or no? Yes. Now we'll study about siblings. Your brothers and sisters are your siblings. It's great fun to play with siblings. Though siblings may fight with each other at times, they are still the best friends. We all agree. Our brothers and sisters are our best friends. And this thing, children, when you will realize when you grow up, you can share many personal things. Personal means the secrets which you can share only with them, not with others. So we need brothers and sisters in our life and we should maintain also good relationship with our siblings. It is great fun to play with siblings. We all know if you are having brothers and sisters, you enjoy with them, you play with them and have fun. Sometimes we do fight. It's quite natural, children. In school also when you come, you fight with your friends. But next day, when you come in the morning, you first see where is that friend, where she is gone or where he is gone and why he has not come today. If one day also if your friend doesn't come, you don't feel good. So, like friends, here also siblings are also brothers and sisters are very good friends. So, here we see about cousins. They are your first friends. You play with them and love to spend time with them. So, all family members, they form a family tree. So, let us once recap. Here, father's father is grandfather. Father's mother is grandmother. Father's brother is uncle. Uncle's wife is aunt. Uncle and auntie's children are cousins. Now, you can see a family tree. Here, paternal means relative of your father. So, one side we see paternal and one side we see maternal. So, paternal means relatives of your father and maternal means relative of your mother. So, here we once recap. We all live in a family and love our family. Family can be small or big. Small families are called nuclear families. Big families are called joint families. All the family members are special. So we have learned that families play great role in our life. Now children, here is one activity for you. Here in your EVS book, in this assessment, in the left side of the page, that is the white sheet, you are going to make a family tree. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Staying at home, you can do this and paste the picture of your family members. Okay, do it neatly. Children, bye. Stay safe.